Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Chrome, signed into the account that enforces Safesearch. First, click the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Settings. This puts you where Chrome stores search and sync controls. Once done, select Sync and Google Services so you can confirm the active account and whether Google search filters are governed by account-level settings. Make sure to proceed now to the Google search settings. That is where Safesearch lives and will be toggled off. Now go directly to Google search settings by visiting Google.com/preferences or through your Google Accounts data and privacy section. This is where the Safesearch control resides. You will find a Safesearch filter toggle labeled to block explicit results. Turn that toggle off to allow broader search results. After toggling, click Save or Confirm changes. This ensures your choice is stored. To validate, open an incognito window and run a sample search so you can see the difference immediately. Finish by confirming Chrome Sync and Google account reflect the change. Sign out and back in if the toggle seems unchanged. If Safesearch flips back on, make sure no parental controls, family link, supervised account, or organization policy is enforcing the filter. These override your local toggle. Once you remove or modify those restrictions, clear cookies and site data, then reapply the toggle and test a search. If problems persist, restart Chrome and recheck the account that holds the enforcement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.